This video is a little bit more complicated than the adding video. We're going to look at subtracting integers. Now, subtracting integers is hard to understand. And it's hard to understand because pictorially, initially, it doesn't make any sense. So if I have negative 3, take away 2. That's not possible. Why? What do you mean it's not possible? You've probably been taught it is possible. So let's look at this from a different point of view. Imagine I have 3 take away 2. I have 1, 2, 3, and I remove 2. Gone, gone. I have 1 left. But here I have negative 3. Negative 1, 2, 3. It's impossible to remove positive 2. You know why? There are no positive 2's. I need to find 2 positives in there to take it away. I can't. Right now, it's impossible. So the question is, how do we make it possible? And for that, we have to start adding in zeros. Let's look at our first question again. Negative 3, take away 2. Let's put again our pictures. Pictures always help. Negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Now we're going to do what's called add a zero. Negative 1 and 1, that's a 0. And negative 1 and 1, we've added another 0. Now negative 3 plus 0 is going to be negative 3 no matter what. But look what we can do now. Now all of a sudden we have our 2 1's. Now if we take them away, because we're taking away positive 2, we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negative 1's, or negative 5. Again, let's do this one more time using the picture method. We have 4 take away negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 positive 1's. We cannot take away 2 negative 1's because there's nothing there to take away. So let's add in 2 zeros. 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1. There's 1 0 and 2 zeros. We're going to add in 2 zeros because we're having to take away negative 2. Here we added in 2 zeros because we're taking away positive 2. Let's take away our negative 2 now. And what's left? 6. 6 is left. I'm starting to see a pattern here. I wonder what that pattern could be. Let's look at one more question to see if we can start seeing a pattern. 6, take away negative 3. Now because it's negative 3, I know I'm going to have to add in 3 zeros. But first let's put in our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to add in our 3 zeros. 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1. And now we can take away our negative 3. We end up with 9. I think we added the opposite. I think here we just added the opposite. We just added 3. And here we added the opposite. We just plussed positive 2. Oops, did I make a mistake? Yeah, plus 2 plus 3. And here, I just added the opposite. What was that opposite? Well, here I just added negative 2. Because that's a positive number. So when we change it, it becomes a negative number. Adding the opposite. I wonder if we take that and can we make simple rules? Well, each case, each time, the first number stayed the same because we're just adding the opposite. And then we're adding the opposite, so I guess our subtraction became addition. And lastly, because we're adding the opposite, our second number became opposite. Well, let's look at some examples of this. If we had 8 take away -3, first number stays the same. Subtraction becomes addition. Second number becomes its opposite. 11. That's right. And I know it's right. Let's try 11 take away 12. 11 plus -12 is -1. Now, if you want to go back and check these using pictures, be my guest. They will always work out. Let's go -6 take away 3. First number stays the same. -6. Subtraction becomes addition. And 3 becomes its opposite, -3. -9. And that is the shortcut method for subtracting integers. Thank you very much.